In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mega menu on Shopify. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login, sign in with your email, or use one of the available sign-in options. If you manage multiple stores, make sure you're in the right one and confirm you have permission to install apps and edit navigation. Next, open a new tab and go to apps.shopify.com, which is the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Kikify. You're looking for the Kikify Mega Menu solution, which helps you create large, organized dropdowns with columns, images, and featured links. Check the app details and reviews to ensure it fits your needs and your theme. Click to install the Kikify app. Shopify will ask you to approve the installation from your admin dashboard. Review the access permissions carefully so you know what the app can manage, then grant access to continue. This is standard for apps that interact with your store's navigation. Once the app opens, click Create Menu to start a fresh setup. Inside the app, choose Add a New Menu. Naming your menu clearly, like Main Mega Menu, can help you stay organized, especially if you plan to create more than one. By default, you might see a simple menu option. Switch from simple to mega menu mode. A simple menu is a basic drop-down, while a mega menu lets you display multiple columns, collection links, images, and promotional areas, all in one expandable panel. It's ideal for stores with many categories or featured collections. Now select a template. Templates give you a starting layout, such as multi-column setups for collections, a mix of text and images, or a promotional banner area. Pick one that aligns with how you want customers to navigate your catalog. Customize your template to match your store. Add or rename columns, link to collections, products, or pages, and fine-tune labels so they're clear and concise. You can add images or icons to highlight key categories, adjust spacing, set hover or click behavior, and make sure the colors and fonts match your theme. Keep usability in mind. Group related items together, avoid overwhelming visitors with too many choices, and ensure the menu looks great on mobile by checking the preview. If you add images, use clear visuals and helpful alt text for accessibility. When you're satisfied with the layout and styling, click Save. Saving frequently helps prevent losing changes. After saving, follow any on-screen guidance from the app to ensure your new mega menu displays correctly in your store's header. That's it. You've created a clean, professional mega menu that makes browsing faster and more intuitive for your customers.